So.
All right, guys, we couldn't leave this morning without having some fun. I thought we were already, but apparently not. Okay, well, our producer's idea of fun, that is. So we're going to pick a word out of this basket and attempt to use the word in a sentence.
Just give me.
Do we have an example?
No, just give me.
Wait, look a bit. K-on, do we have
an
example sentence?
You need to help me.
Okay.
You need to help.
Sigue. What is your word?
I'll give you the sentence and you tell me if it's correct or not. What is more to come? I have a modicum of ashes in my pocket. What modicum I mean little bit. What modicum?
You don't have a modicum of sense.
A small amount of something. I got it right.
Why you would have a modicum of ashes in your pocket?
I couldn't come up with none, but I understood.
Okay.
There you go. So I got
bad.
that one right. Why you have the basket, please?
Oh. One thing you are not is a sycophant of Mr. Trump.
A sycophant?
Yes.
I am not a sycophant.
No.
Or is it? It's not sycophant.
Sycophant.
I'm asking.
Isn't it?
I'm asking. I'm asking.
It's sycophant. I think it's sycophant.
Which means I don't.
Sycophant is an option. And they don't also can spell with a P? Okay. Your turn.
So that word, it means one who flatters for self again.
Yes.
So we're going on. We have this.
Superbly smart, superfluously.
I am not as brazen as I used to be.
However, you are still pathologically mendacious.
Well,
okay, that was too easy, man.
I can handle it. No, it's bright. Modicum never easy.
Of course it was.
Shit.
Ho! More time when Neville treat, he would like me to not quarrel with him to appease his feelings, but it's not gonna
appease is the word.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you understand that one first? Can I talk about your cheating? Surprise!
I know the word and the meaning.
Let us start it now.
Alacrity.
Oh.
Don't put up the meaning yet. I moved this morning with alacrity.
At which point in the show did you do that? Where was I when that was happening?
There you go.
I don't quite remember that part. Okay.
So I've got them all so far. Yes, man. Me like that. Me like that one. That sounds like you're going to end up cursing something. Have you seen? What is it? Let me see it, man. Come now, make me see it.
Wait, no, man. What could this mean?
Can I see it, please? Inveterate. Well, I'm glad you get this one because I don't know this one.
Yesterday I was so tired that I spent the whole day.
Inveterated. I don't know what this means, to be honest. Inveterate, stubbornly established by habit. Well, there you go.
Oh, so you're...
I'm the first to admit that I'm an inveterate rum drinker.
Oh.
I've never heard that word.
You learn something new every
Which
day.
means, no, me I'll get
and I wasn't
one.
going to take up that paper to you know. What is yours?
Expostulate.
Okay, me too. Sometimes I have that. I just take a tablet though and it go away.
Yeah. Expostulate.
So posture and to postulate.
I know. I tried to figure out a sentence.
So...
Expostulate.
Is that like to disagree or to distance yourself or to if you posture something or you postulate something, you put it forward,
yeah,
right?
if you like you so expostulate I am very good at expostulating.
No, it's not that. Never like to expostulate things. That's why I'm going to get a boil on him eye. Oh.
Right.
Well, so we were,
Yeah.
okay. So we kind of figured it out.
I got everything right.
Father expostulated with him about the evils of gambling.
Yeah. Well, my sentence.
But that sentence also.
Yeah, well, my sentence. If that is the example, my sentence never makes no sense, either. I am very
Never,
good at,
and I tend to always expostulate.
which means we always disagree.
Yes.
I didn't. So the only word I didn't know was what? Inveterate. Is how it pronounced? What it mean again? What inveterate it mean again?
To something.
Stubbornly established by habit, which means what?
Means that you're an inveterate thief.
Let me see.
Always
Let me see the sentence.
inveterately cheat in the games.
I'm the first to admit that I'm an inveterate rum drinker.
Do it all the while. Has become part of your daily routine.
Okay.
And
Stubbornly. So why is stubborn in it? If it's just a habit. So the word means a habit or it means stubborn. I don't understand. I still don't understand.
Stubbornly established by habit.
Yeah. I don't
stubborn
understand.
about
I can
something.
understand that it's a habit that you have, which the sentence would suggest that I have a habit of drinking too much rum.
But you're
I don't
stubborn
know.
with it. So true, by when I said to your nephew, stop drinking,
I don't
you
listen
said,
to
no,
you.
I'm inveteratiously just going to drink.
All right, folks. Well, hope you got something out of that. We'll soon come back to say goodbye. Don't move.